I'm on my way to the very top of the world's tallest building, a place only a select few highly skilled technicians have ever been before.
Oh my word!
If I'm to make it all the way, I've got to climb the final 80 meters inside the spire.
Bashar?
Yep.
You know your tower?
Yep.
It's absolutely dazzling up to about here. I'm not surprised you don't allow your more high-class clientele to come here.
He's taking me to perform essential maintenance on what must be the most inconveniently located bit of kit on any building in the world.
Almost there, you can see it. This is the very top, Richard. That's the sky.
Oh my word!
We did it.
This is the highest you can be on a building.
This is the highest you can be on a building on this planet.
We are on top of the world.
We are on top of the world.
I'm looking at an aeroplane below us.
Much below us.
That's the strangest feeling. And tall buildings, they have such an appeal to us as humans, don't they?
True.
And do you think part of it is to be the tallest thing, to have the furthest view? I can see more than anybody else.
You know that this tip can be spotted from 95 kilometers away.
I'd also like to point something else out. I am slightly taller than you, which means I'm right now the tallest man in the world. That's me. I am the tallest man in the world right now. So now we have to do our maintenance.
Yes, indeed.
Where is it, the thing we've come to fix?
It's just behind you.
This small container is a lightning arrestor. Inside it is a sophisticated lightning detection system capable of identifying